YouTube's SEO Neal has been posting on YouTube's official blog, and I will try my best today to break down everything that he said, because most of this stuff is really important if you want to grow your YouTube channel. So the first stuff that Neal talked about in this blog post was this new change. We went from watching everything on a small mobile phone to now watching it on the big telly. The big television is now the new star on YouTube. Most people are watching even shorts on YouTube, and also that YouTube is the #1 platform when it comes to listening to podcasts in the US. He also talks about new tools, monetization, and discovery methods when it comes to podcasts. If you are already posting and making podcasts on Spotify, for example, look into creating a video with your podcast and post it on YouTube, or just the audio, because YouTube are certainly pushing this feature and it will continue on and push podcasts for YouTube. He's also talking about the new way us creators are creating videos, where we are starting up a business sort of, and we are finding new ways to create videos. We are creating larger productions with a larger crew. We have cameras, we have lights, we have an entire crew of people helping us producing better content. It's not just like this me with a camera. It's starting to get a bit bigger. It's starting to get more like TV. And he's saying basically that YouTube is the new Hollywood. But no, before you freak out, YouTube will still be the same thing. You will still be able to just have your phone, for example, and film yourself and have a simple microphone. Relax. Since YouTube has been going from the phone to the big screen, YouTube are now looking into different experiences that you can do on your phone while you are watching a video to sort of interact. I don't really know how this will affect your videos, but I feel like it's a cool tool for either kids and stuff to play some games with the content creators sort of. I don't really know, but this seems like a good idea if they are executing this in the right way. YouTube are once again deep diving into AI, but this time to understand if you're a kid or an adult, to make sure that you're shown the right and appropriate content. I personally think this is a great idea. As long as they don't mess up my algorithm, I will be fine. But in order to protect the kids, I think it's really good and smart of them to sort of understand the audience a bit more. And maybe we can see this feature be used on other audiences as well, to make sure that they are getting the best experience on YouTube. For us creators, this blog post was awesome. It's good to know that YouTube knows where they're at. They are 20 years this year, so that's awesome. And hopefully some of the features that we have seen with the new comment section, for example, on mobile, I was so excited when I first saw this. It will make it so much easier for us creators to read your comments and see different threads and stuff. And with this new community tab, I have seen some channels already getting access to this. It looks really good, where you as a viewer can send in like fan art, or you can ask questions to me personally. I feel like us creators can utilize this and create better content that can work with a higher quality on TV to try to gather the families. Everyone is watching Netflix anyways, so if we can move them from Netflix to watch our videos, that's good. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this blog post. I will link it down in the description. The future will tell. Watch this video up next. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.